Welcome to the official channel of Metal Glass. Do you know the most expensive airport in the world? Watch till the end to know more. Dubai's Maktoum International Airport is the most expensive airport in the world. London-based firm Leslie Jones Architecture is designing Dubai's new airport. The project represents a massive expansion of the existing Maktoum Airport. Once completed, the new airport city will be over 5 times the size of Dubai Airport. It will sprawl across 70 square kilometers and will have 400 aircraft gates and 5 parallel runways. It will have the world's largest capacity, handling up to 260 million passengers per year. It's anticipated that the facility will handle 12 million tons of cargo per year. It's intended to fully replace the current Dubai International Airport within 10 years. With building getting underway now, the new airport's current cost is $34.8 billion. Based on this projection, it is already the world's most expensive airport.